What's up, my people? On a new site, but a familiar site. This is where we put that lawn in last fall, late fall, where I fell in that woodchuck hole. Nice. So we're doing the backyard now. A lot of gravel here, a lot of bony stuff. I got 3 attachments there. I got my regular skid steer bucket with the tilt attachment on it, the rock bucket, and the Harley rake. That's what we use for this project. Just shot with the laser because everything is coming towards the house. We're gonna have to make like a little swale right through here. We'll bring it up, bring the grade up here. We got to cut about 3 inches out here. I put a mark that's dead level with that, but we're gonna stuff all these rocks and bony stuff in here. I'll throw it in like he's got under his deck there to build that up for drainage. There's no drainage issues here on the house because the whole thing is perfect gravel. I put an 8 there. If I could cut 8 inches out of here, that's gonna get us pretty good. And then back here, we're back level with that mark, and then obviously everything falls off. So we are just gonna create a little issue here, a little swale deal. And there's a roller here, you know, we could take what we put out of here and put it there, and everything will get topped with 4 or 5 inches of topsoil, 6 inches some spots. We're just gonna go to about that, and we could fill up against that tar line if we want to. Well, not over on the corner because he's gonna put a retaining wall there eventually, but our lawn is gonna come in here, just about here, you know. We're not gonna mess with nothing down here. And then we'll follow this high grass back to a well casing back there. There's a marker. It's just like a little triangle. So let's see what we got here for attachments before we get going. Things are warming up. It's still chilly. Here's my tilt attachment. Everybody talks about the tilt attachment. It's just a plate that goes in between our bucket. Right here. That's it. Just a plate. You can put that on this and have it work. You can put it on the Harley rake and have it work. So this should work really well to get all these bones out of here and fine tune it quick. Let's get to it. Okie dokie, let's see how she does. Oh yeah. She'll eat. Soften this ground right up. Like a ripper. Got propane tank riser behind me. I gotta watch out for that. So we'll soften this ground right up. Look at that, fall through nice. Catches all the rocks. That's awesome. It's amazing what teeth will do for you. Amazing. Gotta get teeth on that smooth bucket. I tried ordering them. They're all out of stock where I go through, so gotta get some bucket teeth. rock buckets stand out versus other ones. Look how it's got a cutting edge on it, so you can grade with it too, you know what I mean? And I'm just gonna bring that dirt up like this. Bring it where it's gotta be. Splash it off. Grade backwards on out. And it grades just like a regular bucket. No problem. Look at that. Alright, just got the smooth bucket on now, and just finishing the tune up. Alright, I cut more for that swale. I'm just taking the Harley rake and just giving it a little more love, as you would say. Prepping the ground a little bit, cutting that swale in like so, running the tires. It just gets that fluff off and then feathers my lawn out to where I need to be. I had that little dip behind me, as you remember. So right here is the deepest part of the swale before it falls off. And we're actually going reverse in the Harley rake, pushing the dirt towards us instead of running the barrel forward. Yeah, this is shaping up nice. Getting all the rocks out, prepping the soil. Got a nice pile of rocks there. It's coming out. Filled that belly, got a swale going in right there, deep enough. This should work out. We can start dropping topsoil soon. All right, this thing is prepped. Prepped. Ready to take some topsoil. Picking up the topsoil. That's 3 off. Backing in right now for the 5th and final load here. Just gonna back up to that pile so you can see it in the mirror. Yeah, 5th and final. Then tomorrow JJ will be in here and we will get this knocked out. Should be a half a day or so. Hey, like that dump truck. A lot of nice rigs in our area, I tell ya. Here comes my buddy Dave from Kaz Trucking, rocking the Sweet Pete. What up, brother? Getting after it. Hauling crusher today. Yeah, 5th and final load has arrived. Tomorrow, whole new day, whole new game. We'll get this lawn installed pretty quickly. Stay tuned for that video. This is gonna wrap this one up. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks.